Hello guys, you are welcome to this channel. My name is Mercy Legs and this is how to cook egusi soup without frying. It's a very delicious, yummilicious and tastelicious soup. In fact, this soup is one of the best you may have ever tasted. Very delicious and very simple to make. You don't have to fry this one. So please, if this is the first time you are coming to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video, share with your friends, families, your enemies, your relatives. In the pot already, I have my cod fish. I have cow head and some omo cooking inside. So I decided to start cooking this one first because they are usually very strong. So right now I have nothing in this pot aside water and meat. So I'm going to start by adding pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to use 2. Then I'll put in some onion. I have red and white onion. Then I'll add some salt. So let me wash the meat. So I'm going to wash it thoroughly. Then I'll put it. So the cow head is almost cooked. I'll put the beef now. The beef won't take time to cook, maybe between 15 to 20 minutes it will be cooked. I do not want the cow head and the bonnet to be strong at all, so they will all cook together. So I'll just check the salt and the seasoning I have already added inside. If I'm fine with it, I'll continue. If not, I'll always adjust the salt, the pepper and the seasoning. Now I'll add the oil. Remember, this is egusi soup without frying, so we are not frying it. I'll put the oil and check if the oil is good enough. What I usually do is to use paprika to tune up the color of the egusi soup, but you can, if you don't want to use paprika powder, you can go ahead and use shombo or tatashe or red bell pepper. I'm going to put some paprika to it, just a little bit. Then I will stir it. You want to get that dim egusi color, so feel free to use any type of pepper, any type of capsicum that you want to enhance the color of your egusi. It is, I'm cooking based on what I have, so you can use goat meat to cook this soup. You can also add my crayfish. You can add anything you like. You can add periwinkle. I'm going to add 2 spoons of crayfish into it. Yes, the aroma is already all over the place, and you can see the color. You can see the color. You can also add uziza to this soup, both the leaf or the seeds, to spice it up. But today I'm not going to use uziza. So I'm going to add some hot water. When making soup, always add hot water instead of cold water. But many a times when you add cold water into the soup, it waters down the taste of the soup. And I don't really know the chemistry behind that, but that is what I have noticed. So it's best to pour boiled water, hot water, into the cooking soup. That way you will still retain the taste just the way it is. So I'll let it boil a little bit, then I'll put the egusi in. I've checked the meat, I have checked the fish, and they are all cooked to my taste for this soup. I'll go ahead and add it. So this is it. I'll turn it and let it cook. So I'm going to cook it right now, maybe for 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Then I'll check it. I'm also lowering the heat because I do not want it to get burnt, because once egusi gets into the soup, chances of it getting burnt is higher. If egusi is cooking, let me wash the bitter leaf. So, and here is our egusi. This is 5 minutes later. Let's see. Just look at that. Just look at the color. The aroma is out of this world. So here, this is egusi soup. How to make egusi soup, the frying method. This is how to make egusi soup without frying it. It's very simple and very, very delicious. Let me check. It's ready. I will add the vegetables right away. See how beautiful this soup is. Wow, that's the vegetable. Bitter leaf. That's the vegetable I'm using. You can also use ugu or spinach or kale or kale. How do they pronounce it? Is it kale or kale? So I have been cooking it for like 3 to 4 minutes since I added the vegetables. So here it is. This is the tasty goodness. how to make egusi soup without frying. The soup is ready to be frozen and it is so delicious, very delicious. Please subscribe to this channel and share these videos with your friends and family. And thank you very much for watching.